Low-key, all of them done them roses. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me.
Hello gorgeous, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. I hope you're good. If you're new here, please join the family by subscribing down below and hit your notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I post. So today's video will be all about me doing my natural twist. I'm not going to do the juicy type. I'm going to do more like a frizzy kind of twist because I want to like show my length more and let it get much more puffier. So for today's video, what you would be needing is a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb. I'll be using brush on my edges just to slick them before I like twist. You might need some clips or some hair ruffles. I'll also be using my crocheting pin to put in the beads and the hair at the end, and some small rubber bands. You need to make sure you have all of these. Oh yeah, also you need like a mirror, so you need to have one in front. I don't know if it should through this mirror right now, so I have like my ring light mirror before me, and this other one I'll use for your patterns. So that's all we'll be needing. I'm not going to be using any edge control because that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for like a very simple natural look. So yeah, if you want you can, but I don't want to like put too much product in my hair. I just want my hair to breathe. Like I'll just have like a little bit of leave-in conditioner I put on my hair after my wash day, then I braid my hair for it to dry so it can stretch, and I combed it out today. So that's just it. Yeah, so let's get right into this. So I'll be starting with the back of my hair and I'll be showing you my pattern style and everything. So I'll be taking you through every step. I think it's very important for you to note. First, you want to part from ear to ear straight across your head like that. So to lessen the pain and the frizz, the like struggle, I'll use my hand to part it first of all. Into two, I will be parting this part into three different lines. I always go for the box braiding pattern because I just don't know, that's like the pattern I kind of learned on myself, and I think it's like the easiest because it's just straight lines and then you can kind of just play the mats from there. I'm still yet to give the free pattern a try. So because my hair, the hair at the last part of your head, mine is very scanty, so I'll just part into 3 instead of 4. And kind of what I'm using as a guideline here is, so normally when I do this box braiding, I section this last part into 4, and there is always this deep part we have in our neck, so that's where I use as the middle of my head. But since I'm not doing 4 parts and I'm doing 3 sections, this deep part we have in our neck, we also have kind of parts that came up here, so that's where I'm using to kind of guide me right now. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and hope it gives me like good perfect division. For my twist, I will just go ahead to twist. I'm not doing any 3-strand braid or anything because I want to make sure that when I'm taking this hair down, it's not going to get any complicated or any tiring. Like I'm already thinking of the day I'll take it down, so I'm trying to help myself here. So I'll just twist from the root, but the key to this is from the root, you want to twist tight from the root. and try and make sure like the two strands you're using is equal. So I'm just doing the regular twist. You want to twirl the ends so they stay together, and we're done with the first one. So I can say I made a little bit of mistake here, but we move. Now the next thing you want to do is each twist you have, you want to use the center of that twist. Here's the center of this twist. The center of the twist to divide for your up part, so that you have one section. I hope you get what I'm saying. You want this next line, the twist on this line will be falling in between the spaces we have down here. So you want to use this twist as a guide. The center of this twist is where you demarcate. I hope you get that. Just feeling this part right now. I don't even know if I'm getting it right or not. Just using my hands, my fingers to feel it. So now for this side, you can see if I go from the center of this one, it might be too small for my liking. It's too small. So I might go from the center of this one. And now it is too big. What should I do? My hands are paining me right now, like, oh God. My neck, my shoulder, my hands, they are really paining me. This is exactly why I said I will not braid the roots. So when I'm taking this twist down, it would kind of reduce the amount of tangles I'll get, since it's just twist all the way. So I'll go on top of this one, but not from the center. Not really the center, but yeah.
I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right. Guess my
Because I already know I'm putting beads on this. I don't want anything tugging on my front hair, like trying to pull it down. Okay, so as you can see, I've put beads on this part of the hair, of this part of my hair, and you can see the difference. Like this one is just shrinking. Like I had to pause and like sleep, rest, because my hands was doing it, and the place got dark. There was no light. Blah blah blah. Nigeria as usual. So Now I'll show you how to put in the beads. So for the main bead I'm using this and this. So you want to put the smaller one, which you want to be the last one, first in your crochet pin, and then you put the cultural bead. Then you grab the hair you want to attach, put the hair, close your latch and push the two beads while pushing out your crochet hook. I hope you saw that clearly. Then the next thing you want to do is take your hair and fold and use a rubber band to attach it. So depending on how you want it to be, you should know how much hair you want to leave and try to do it in a way that it will not easily fall out. As you can see, simple. So I will show you how I did this other one, but I know someone is going to ask. So I take this, my cowrie, I pass my crocheting hook from this bigger part, the part that has the bigger space. Then I also take this bead, I'll close my latch, then I'll put it through. Why I close my latch is if you don't close the latch in this one and you put it, you might not see the space to do this sometimes. So then you take it to the hair you want it to be in. So you push again from underneath. Then you take the hair. And you tie it with the rubber band. You want to make sure that any hair you have left, that the other bead above covers it. Perfect. Also, always make sure to oil your scarf. So I'm using the coconut oil I put into this nozzle-like container, and you want to use that to oil your scarf. Editing Chidimma here. I just figured out that this video, the audio clip didn't record, like it's not with the video. I just don't know why. I don't know what happened. It will be my mistake. So please bear with me as I'm doing this voiceover. So I'm just, here's like the final result. This is what hair is looking like. I'm removing the bobby pins I put because that's how I'll be wearing the hair out that particular day. I will just guess what I was saying that time. This is final result. I'm loving it. It's nice. It's beautiful. Like it's giving me that that, you know, African queen, that goddess like look. Like I just love it. It's just nice as it's natural. And one good side to this whole hairstyle is that my ends are tucked in. Like I'm so glad that my ends are tucked in. My hair is just okay. The hair is not wet. It feels good, feels nice. So just give it a try, you know. So here I'm going to put the hair to a side pattern. I'm just taking like 2 lines and throwing it to the other side. At the front I have like 10 different sections, 5 on each side. So yeah, that's what is giving me this side pattern right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below. See you next time. Bye. I love you all. Bye. So here's like a bonus clip of me showing you how I wore the hair that day. I was going somewhere that I didn't need this hair to stress me, so I had to put it behind me. So I just took it, slide it behind my ear and use a bobby pin to hold it down. As simple as it gets. So that's just it. And it was still giving the look it was giving. I even got compliment that day. Someone was surprised with my hair. Like, I'm so proud. I left the ones close to my ear out.